actually Dad Scotch last year, and I'm pumped today to tell you about the Hair Evolution Peanie Natural Hair Growth Tonic. Now the reason I want to give this product a go is because I actually came about it in a very unusual way. I met the lady who actually formulated the tonic, and the whole history and the story behind the product blew my mind, and I thought I have to give this product a go. Now I've never really battled with growing my hair and getting the length that I wanted, so it's not that I wanted to grow my hair necessarily, I just wanted to make sure that this stuff worked. And also, because it's such an amazing story, I wanted to become an agent and sell the product. Now I'm not going to sell a product if I don't believe in it, number one, and I'm not going to sell a product that I haven't used on myself. I don't want everybody's hair to fall out or something to go drastically wrong. I need to use the product myself and test it out. Let me tell you a little bit about the product. It's a natural hair growth tonic with no chemicals, so it's safe for children, men, women to use, safe for everybody. I've had awesome results in the last 3 weeks. It's actually mind-blowing, the results that I've had, and it might sound cliche and really cheesy, but you can just take a look at the before and after pictures to see exactly what the results are. And I've always believed that a picture tells 1,000 words. It doesn't matter if I ramble on for weeks on end and chat to you about how wonderful it is if I don't show you what the results actually are. So let me tell you how to use the product. I have done a little tutorial video on how to use it. Have a check at the comment section below for the link to my video on how to apply the product. It works in a 3-phase design. So the first phase is the shock phase. It promotes blood flow and oxygen to your scalp. Now you apply the tonic 3 to 5 times a day. The next phase is phase 2, which is the Vita phase. And that is, now that your hair has been properly prepared and it's been oxygenized, you keep applying the product 3 to 5 times a day. Final phase and phase 3 is the rest phase, and that's week 4 and 5. You don't apply any product and you give your scalp a rest. All those follicles have been overstimulated now, and now they have to take a bit of a chill pill and rest. So don't forget this phase, it's very important. And then you can start the cycle all over again and start reapplying. And you can actually see from my ginger roots how my hair has grown in the last 3 weeks. And it really is quite remarkable, the results that I've seen. Now I normally wear my fringe sort of on my face like this, and I actually can't anymore because it's grown so much. And I didn't want to cut my hair during the treatment because I actually wanted to show you how my hair has grown. So have a look at the photos. I'll actually post them up on my Facebook page as well, and you can go and check it out there. You can also go and check out more information about the product and where to order, where to purchase, and all of those nice things. You can WhatsApp me, you can email me, you can Facebook me, you can Instagram me, you can tweet me, all of those great things. I'm all over social media, so you'll find me at least on one platform. I hope you're as excited about this product as I am. I also must just tell you that they have 7 other products, including the pH cleanser rinse for oily hair and dry hair. They have a men's bald spot treatment, which comes in a spray bottle, which is very similar formula to this. They have a lice treatment, and they have an anti-frizz treatment. Not only do they have the hair growth, but they have the backup of the other products behind it which support it. Oh, and one last thing, you do get an ethnic version, because of ethnic hair is a lot different texture to our hair. It's very wiry and it's very thick and it grows a lot slower than our hair. They have a different formula. You have one for natural hair and you have one for ethnic hair. So choose the one you want, place your order today, and I will see you on social media. Bye guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.